Good morning from the middle of the African plain. The beautiful, soothing sounds of nature is like a symphony as the sun rises over the Madikwe Valley. This is simply an astonishing way to wake up to a new day. Africa, your beauty knows no end. Your vibrant soul conquers the hearts of every traveler that has met you. Being cocooned in the wilderness far away from everyday life will ignite a sense of excitement, a perspective of otherworldliness, and a thrilling romance. On a safari, you can discover the whimsical peculiarities of Mother Nature for yourself. The majestic Madikwe Game Reserve is the 5th largest game reserve in South Africa. The 75,000-hectare malaria-free reserve is situated 400 kilometers away from Johannesburg in the country's northwest province, an area rich in heritage. Today, the Madikwe Game Reserve has an abundance of bird life and includes the Big Ten, which is the Big Five, as well as the highly endangered African wild dog, cheetah, hippo, hyena, and giraffe. A true African wilderness reborn. Set on the eastern side of Madikwe Game Reserve, Mallory Safari offers breathtaking views of the expansive Madikwe Valley and the Dwarsberg Mountain, a perfect setting for a luxury bush getaway, offering privacy and super luxury with exceptional personalized service, style, and comfort. Boasting an aesthetic that blends local African design elements with contemporary, well-placed African design, the lodge's retreat balances pure comfort and luxury in a refreshing presidential style-like atmosphere. Its warmth, charm, and comfort reigns particularly supreme in the 5 meticulous luxury suites, thoughtfully distanced from each other to offer maximum privacy in the beauty of the spectacular surrounding landscape. The communal area of the lodge housed 4 dining areas, complete with a baby grand piano, an expansive safari viewing and dining deck, surrounded by a spectacular twin infinity pool overlooking a private waterhole, a star deck with plush daybeds, a library, an exquisite bar and wine cellar, and a well-equipped humidor with the finest selection of imported cigars. Certainly a sophisticated and elegant affair. The lodge comprises 5 large, uber-chic, magnificently appointed luxury suites that truly captures the royal spirit of Africa, all of which have floor-to-ceiling glass retractable doors that allow breathtaking views of the valley and mountain range. The interior style is local chic and designed to soothe with neutral palettes, streaming natural light and exceptional bespoke furniture. The perfect mix of modern and classic. The luxurious presidential suite boasts a lavishly large living area, a stone-cladded fireplace, a glorious bedroom and bathroom with heated flooring and a lovely library and study space. The room has a spacious wooden viewing deck with a fabulous daybed, a private infinity pool, and jacuzzi, as well as a panoramic outdoor shower. Elephant herds often frequent the waterhole in front of Mallory's hide, delighting guests who watch their antics from the comfort of the hideout. The lodge's cuisine is under the direction of talented chefs, inspired by both new African design and international influences. All meals are created from the freshest local and premium ingredients, brought in specially from Johannesburg, in accordance with your personal preferences. Driving off-road is usually limited to spectacular sightings, but nonetheless provides an added advantage in visiting a private safari lodge, as do night drives, which are not allowed in national parks. A whole new dimension of an exhilarating experience is discovering nocturnal adventure on a night drive using high-tech torches. This provides an opportunity to see the wildlife that are not normally seen on a safari, and a good chance to see predators like the elusive leopard on the hunt. The Mallory Safari experience is very exclusive and personalized to your own preferences and time. The hospitable and friendly staff will ensure that you leave with everlasting memories, exactly what you expect from an exceptional and bespoke safari.